Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the review of the Maxshield after 1 or 2 months of usage. So I would say maybe around 2 months now I have been using this case. I haven't used it quite a lot, mainly because this is a demo phone. It's not a day-to-day usage, but still I do carry it with me all the time, so I guess you can say that I use it all the time, most of the time. So let's take a look. I'm going to take it out and see how well it protects the phone. Is there any dust entering the phone, and is there any dust on the side of this metal frame? So you can see here it still looks quite nice on the frame. There's not a lot of marks. There are some marks around the side here, but not a lot. So you can see it's still protected quite well. One of the things that you need to be careful with a case like this is sometimes sand and dust can get inside, and over time when you are having the phone in your pocket, a small rubbing back and forth with a tiny sand particle can cause tiny scratches, and with the accumulation of those tiny smashes over time can make a big damage to the side. But at the moment it still looks quite nice. I'm going to clean it down, but there is some mark right here. You can see around here there are marks. I'm not sure if you can see it because of the reflections. I'm just going to put my finger in so the camera focus on my finger, as well as the metal frame right here. I'm going to move up and down so you can see the reflection of the light on the frame on the side here as well. It is a little bit dirty. This is due to my fingerprint on the side. So come on, let's get some focus. And at the back, there's a little bit of dust. So what happens if we're going to clean it up? I'm going to give this a clean. So there is a little bit of scratch right here. Don't know where that's coming from. Now again, like I said, so sand could get in or other things that got in the way. You can see there's a tiny scratch right here. Now this is also because I open the phone quite a lot. I open the case and I put on different case as well, so that can cause scratches on the side. So here it is. I'm going to give it a good clean. Now after a very good clean, there are marks and scratches on the top. And I'm telling you, it's very difficult to keep this one in pristine conditions, as sand and other dirt can get in, debris get in, and once they get in and they start scrubbing, they will cause damage to this shiny metal on the side here. But overall it's good. The way you can try to protect your phone is to clean the case regularly. You can see in here it's got sand and dust coming in. So also be careful where you place your phone. If you place them in your handbag, make sure the handbag is clean. If you got a lot of dust inside your handbag, then dust can come into the case and cause scratches as well. Another thing is because this case here is quite hard to take it out or putting it in, and when you are putting your phone in and out like this, it can rub against. You can see this plastic here. Sometimes they can rub against the side of the phone, and that again can cause tiny scratches every time you do that. So every time you take it in and out, it will cause a tiny scratch on the corner here. You can see if I try to slip it in like that. Sometimes if it rubs against the metal, shiny metal, it can cause tiny scratches as well. So just be careful and gentle. Go slowly when you are taking your case out and putting it back in. And yeah, so that is the case. In general, it's still very good. The buttons are very nice. They're quite easy to press, not that difficult. It could have been softer, but that's okay. I have used some other case, tested some other case where the buttons are very gentle to press, but this one here is a little bit harder, but overall it's still pretty good. It doesn't go yellow, not yet. It's only 2 months old. The case still very clear, very transparent. It's quite smooth. Now I have placed this phone in a bag with mixed items, such as keys and other hard objects. And at the moment, it doesn't generate a lot of scratch on this back right here. So the back here is quite strong and quite good. So I'm actually quite surprised it hasn't scratched a lot. There are some marks already. So again, if you place it in a handbag with other things, such as keys and other makeup that you have, makeup items, they can also cause the scratch on the back here. But overall, I'm quite pleased, quite happy. They look nice. They're easy to hold in the hand. I haven't dropped this phone yet, so I guess because it's not very slippery. It's got an adequate grip. Not very good, but adequate grip. And it's not too bulky and look stylish as well. But yeah, overall, it's not that bad. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.